Alright, so we're out here in St. Cloud area. We're going to be replacing some window screens today, and I'm just cutting all the framing so I can get everything tightly measured tightly, so when you put the window screens in, the frames are nice and tight, so there's no gaps or anything for any bugs to get through. So I'm going to show you how we measure, cut, and also build the framing and install the new screens. Alright, so we got the this frame already built, the first one, and I cut these pieces here, minus 3/4 here, minus 3/4 here, to get this piece right here. And then I put the springs on the one side, of course, so when you slide the window in, it pushes back across the other way. And then on this side here, we're gonna have the tabs. I'm gonna put the new tabs in so that way you can pull the framing out easier that way. Alright, so we have this one screened now. As you can see here, got the new 1814 screen in there. Got the rubber spline in here in the track. Alright, so as you can see here, the window framing, it slides in here like this. Slides in here like this. Right? And then we push this one in. And we push the top piece in here. And there we go. So we're going to be doing these here as well. This one and this one. These are going to be a little trickier because they are a wider screen. And then we're going to be doing this one around here. Already cut the new framing for this one. It's right here. Just got to screen it. Alright, so we got the second one done here. As you can see, it's a nice tight seal around there. That way nothing will get in.